Viking Elementary Assembly Behavior. Remember the 4 R's for audiences. Respect. The first R. Sit on your bottom, in your own space, and listen quietly with a 0 voice level. The second R. Receive. Make eye contact with the performers. Smile. Really pay attention. Remember, the performance is a gift. Reward. Clap for the performer when it's time. You're thanking them for their courage. Respond. Can you think of something kind to say to the performer if you see them later? Help them feel proud. Using the 4 R's will make performances fun for everyone. Remember, respect, receive, reward, respond. The 4 R's, it's the Viking way.